Dear students, we are seeing about the tenses. Here, already I told you the term tense denotes the time of an action. It shows when the work is done. This tense is divided into 12 groups: simple present tense, simple past, simple future, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. So, this tense divided into 12 groups. Now, we go to see about simple present tense. In our previous class, already we saw about strong verbs and weak verbs. I gave you homework also. Most of the students done it very well. Okay. Now we go to see about the simple present tense. Where do we use this simple present tense? The simple present tense நம்ம எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? First point, for habitual action and routine in actions. If we say about habitual action or routine work, we have to use simple present tense only. Okay. Then, for universal truths, when we say about universal truth, we have to use simple present tense only. Third one, programs already fixed, pre-planned program. When we talk about pre-planned program, we have to use simple present tense. And possessions, for possessions. What do you mean possessions? What you have in your hand, or what you have in your home, what you have in your bag, that's called possessions. Udamai. Here, I give you some keywords to identify simple present tense. If you find the following keywords in your given exercise, you can consider it as simple present tense. Always, often, rarely, usually, frequently, generally, never, sometimes, occasionally, every day, once a week. These are considered as keywords for simple present tense. Okay. Next, fifth point, to indicate a planned future actions. Already I told you pre-planned actions. When we talk about pre-planned actions, we have to use simple present tense only. Imperative sentences. Already I told you when I taught you direct and indirect. What is imperative? In imperative sentence, we must use simple present tense. Go there. Come here. Just you watch these two sentences. First one, go there, go, a verb in simple present tense. Come here, come in simple present tense. So that we must use simple present tense in imperative sentence or imperative sentences. And running commentaries, especially in narrative style. For example, your teacher wants to tell you a story. He can use simple present tense in storytelling also, because it's narrative style. In narrative styles and running commentaries, we must use simple present tense only. Let's see some examples for simple present tense. First one, my father does the newspaper daily. Reading the newspaper is a routine work to his father. So that here we must use simple present tense. My father reads, just you add s. Why? Because here my father is subject, singular subject. We must add s alladi as with the verb in simple present tense if the subject is singular. Here my father is singular subject. At the same time, we go to use this verb in simple present tense, so that we add here yes. My father reads the newspaper daily. Here, the earth does revolve round the sun. Revolving round the sun is actually universal truth, scientific truth also. So that here also we must use simple present tense. Just you add yes only. Because the subject earth is singular, we go to use this verb revolve in simple present tense, so that here revolves. The earth revolves round the sun. This is a type of questions asking you in tenses. Just they give a verb within brackets, just you have to change it in appropriate tenses. Third one, the Prime Minister dash the President tomorrow. This is also pre-planned action. Meeting the President is pre-planned by the PM. So that this is pre-planned actions. So that here we must use simple present tense only. The PM meets the President tomorrow. Just you add here yes only. Fourth one, say dash a sleek computer. Sleek computer. Say dash a sleek computer. Possessions. So that here we use has. Because subject C is singular, third person singular. We go to use this verb have in simple present tense, so that here we use has. She has a sleek computer. Fifth one, we dash to Chennai next Friday. We dash to Chennai next Friday. You can find here within bracket go. Dear students, you remember one thing, a verb within brackets. A verb within bracket are all V1. V1 means present. Verb within bracket which comes in the present form only. You have to change it as per the tense of the given exercise. Here we are seeing about the simple present tense, so that here we use this verb in present tense only. Here we dash to Chennai next Friday. Going to Chennai next Friday is future action but pre-planned action. So that here we use go. We go to Chennai next Friday. That's all. You need not use here goes, because we plural. Okay, first person plural. So that you need not use here goes. If you find singular subject, you have to use here goes. But you find here we, first person plural. So that you must use here go. We go to Chennai next Friday. So that, dear students, in future action, to show the future action but it is pre-planned, we must use here simple present tense. Sixth one, bring me some water. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி கொண்டு வாங்க. Bring me some water. Imperative sentence, bring, verb, may, object. The sentence which comes in the structure of imperative sentences. So that we, verb, imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, we must use simple present tense. As per the rule, bring here, bring, the verb bring which comes here in simple present tense. Okay. Seventh one. Now the batsman dash century. This is in commentary, running commentary. Now the batsman dash century. Within bracket hit. The verb hit which comes in the present form within bracket. Here we must change this as per the tense of the given sentence. Here we are seeing about the simple present tense. So that we must use here simple present tense. Now the batsman singular subject, so that you have to add s only, hits. Now the batsman hits century. Okay, dear students, you should be known very well about simple present tense. I believe like that. In this video also I will give you some homework. Okay, bye, see you.